Hello friends, it's me, Baby Shark. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super yummy and healthy fruit salad. Plus, we're baking some delicious oatmeal cookies too. It's going to be so much fun and so tasty.
Hi, Baby Shark. I'm here to help you. What do we need for our fruit salad and cookies?
Great question, Turtle. For the fruit salad, we need lots of yummy fruits. And for the oatmeal cookies, we need oats, honey, and some special ingredients to make them healthy and sweet. Whoa, this supermarket has so many yummy things to eat. But remember, we are trying to make everything healthy today. To make our healthy cookies, we'll need oats, honey, cinnamon, and a few more yummy things.
For fruits, we got yummy apples, bananas, and some strawberries.
Good idea, Turtle. And don't forget blueberries and grapes. These will make our salad even more colorful. Now that we have everything, let's get ready to make our healthy cookies and fruit salad. Okay, friends, now it's time to make our healthy oatmeal cookies. First, let's mix the oats and cinnamon together in a big bowl. Next, we add honey and a little bit of coconut oil to make the cookies nice and soft.
Then, we gently roll the dough on the countertop.
Now, let's make cute shapes from the cookie cutter and put them on the baking tray. Now, let's bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.
I love how easy these cookies are to make.
Now let's make a fruit salad till the cookies are baked in the oven. Let's slice the banana into little pieces and add the banana slices to a big mixing bowl. Yay! Now let's do the strawberries.
All done, Baby Shark. Now we add them to the bowl.
Look at that, Turtle. It's already looking so colorful. Look how colorful our fruit salad is. It's so bright and pretty. And look, our oatmeal cookies are ready. They look perfect. Let's try them.
Wow, Baby Shark. This fruit salad is so refreshing and delicious. I love it.
These are so soft and tasty, healthy and yummy.
I'm glad you love both the fruit salad and the cookies, Turtle. I bet everyone watching will love them too.
Yes, just ask a grown-up to help you pick out your favorite fruits and make your very own colorful salad and healthy cookies.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Thanks for cooking with me today. Do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. We made fruit salad and oatmeal cookies and we had so much fun. Do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark.
Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures with me and my friends. Bye-bye, little chefs. See you next time.